Hey everybody, Kellen Cash here, and I want to ask your opinion and share some information with you. Let's start. I'm going to just play a clip of this video so we stay within the YouTube policy. But check this out. We're going to talk about the Osmo Pocket. And just I want you to, tell me, do you think this is false advertisement, or was it too early? Was it a PR mistake for Osmo to put this out there? Now watch this little clip.
FPV mode captures a more dynamic perspective, following the gimbal's orientation smoothly for fast-moving shots.
Right here, they're jumping in the water. Now you see that they jumped in the water. They have the extension rod, and they have around the Osmo Pocket this waterproof case. Now that's the case, but this extension rod. Now let me throw this out there. I love DJI products. I've gotten the drones. I've had issues with the drone. I had an issue. They replaced it like that. If I had any issue, they replaced it like that with DJI, right? I have had no problem with that. Got it off Amazon. Now, what I want to share with you is I sent DJI an email, and they're great on the response. No problem with that at all. And they, say they appreciate my cooperation, understanding. And I asked, was the extension rod waterproof? Because the extension rod is like $109, and you don't want to take that extension rod and ruin it. So it says, unless those users add the design, customized waterproof part, it will become waterproof due to the sensitive electronic components. They don't encourage any DJI products to go underwater. Okay. Now, we went back and forth, and I'm like, wait, you guys just put on the video that. And I tell them it was a DJI video that went underwater that's advertised. And they sent back, thanks for the confirmation. They wanted the link. I sent them the link. And I tell them where it starts, and I get a quick email back. They said upon checking the online store, it's not available yet. However, they've notified their team, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Okay, so DJI is saying that it's not out yet. Okay, so maybe it went out too early. I'm a PR guy, right? Maybe it went out too early. That's fine. But they haven't explained that rod. And I want DJI to explain that rod. Now, with my platforms that are just growing, and it's for a certain market that wants to do business, wants to better themselves, wants to travel, I want to know what about that rod, because the DJI rod is not the only rod, and there are plenty of videos you can see on YouTube for waterproof rods, but I like DJI, so if it means spending a little bit extra money, cool. Now, I will let you know this. I went and I bought the Pocket anyway. DJI denied my corporate program buying it for that, because I'm like, we are a corporation, and we're going to use this for movies. And they didn't ask, any other questions about, hey, what else are you doing? Or, I believe we shared a movie or two, but they denied it. So, we'll pay full price. That's no problem. Would have loved the discount since we've bought other things from them. But my thing is, this extension rod right here will break if it goes underwater. I don't want DJI to be in a PR finasco. I'm a PR guy, right? I'm the professor of PR. I don't want them to go in the headlines, because a lot of people went underwater with their stuff that they are clearly saying their stuff can go underwater with that case, but that rod can't. And on Amazon, there's plenty of people saying, hey, these things aren't waterproof, don't put them underwater, not under 5 feet. And this is a problem. So I'd like DJI to explain that and clear that up for everybody, because those of us who do scuba dive or on boats, we want to take it underwater. I'm right here in Seattle. There's plenty of water. We want to use the water, especially for the summer. Those of you who are in Hawaii, that's just a hop, skip, and a jump from Seattle. I know you guys want to get underwater with your pockets. I'm liking what I see from the DJI Osmo Pocket. I haven't even received it yet, but I'm loving what I'm seeing because the stabilization and being able to do more and more videos, whether it be for clients, whether it be for ourselves, food, for those of you who follow me on the Instagrams and Twitters, I'm a Yelp guy. I'm a foodie, is what they say, because I'm always eating or cooking something up. And the stabilization just looks great for the DJI Pocket. And you can walk around with it everywhere you go. But I want your thoughts on, is this a mistake by DJI? Am I missing something? Do you guys have, am I missing something? Which from the email, it doesn't seem like I am, but I want your thoughts. You share it. Let me know what you think. And, like, subscribe, let people know so they don't go underwater with this thing because I just see this as being a PR nightmare if DJI doesn't say something because they put the video out. This video was emailed to me. So, it's not like we went searching for it. They sent it out like they send it out to a lot of people. We support DJI. We appreciate it, but we don't want to spend $109 in our stick break. You guys like, share. I'm out.